So this is the bank. This is where we've been camping. And you say this is an old riverbank?
Yes, yeah, an old floodplain. So in high water levels, you would have gone up to that next tier and even the tier above it. So
okay,
yeah. We're hoping that when the creek comes around the corner, it's washing some of this gold on this edge here.
Oh, I hope so.
And try and get some of it.
Well, let's see, I guess. Let's find out.
All right. All right, we're just going to take some of this material here. We'll just scrape it down. And we'll try and take some of this down the creek and see what we get. This is nice orange clays here with gravel, so we'll see how we go. We'll even empty a few of those roots there. There we go. Beautiful.
In your competition, when you came first, Australian champion, yes, you were 2 minutes faster than any other panner.
Oh, that was at the World Championships in Scotland.
Yep.
My nearest opponent to me was nearly 2 minutes behind.
Yep.
But in the Australian Championships, I posted a 1 minute 12 time, which is one of the fastest ones ever recorded.
Wow.
I'm pretty proud of that.
Yeah, I would be too.
It's 20 litre bucket of soil, and between 5 and 12 pieces in a competition. You must retrieve all your pieces or you lose 5 minutes per piece that you lose, so
okay,
can't really afford to.
No.
I'm going to give this a swirl and we'll see if there's any gold here, guys. Nice black sands.
Oh, let's see.
So that means that it is an area where there could be gold with black sands.
I see it.
What? Eureka!
That's better. That's better than the creek.
That is.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that,
That's
Phoenix.
better than the creek.
We've been camping on a gold mine.
Well, there you go. That's right at your door.
Now, I know everyone, I said we're in Ballarat. We're not. We're actually in far north Queensland, and I'm not telling anyone where we are.
Secret location.
Well, our time down here at Slatty Creek in Ballarat is done and gold dusted. James, thank you very much for showing us how to find gold here.
You're welcome. It was good fun.
And I've had to ring up the car yard. Unfortunately, we've had to put the Lamborghini on hold. But,
just till next week.
Yeah,
though.
I've just put on hold till next week because we might come back down and do some more. And I'll tell you what, we will be coming down. I can see why people get gold fever because this is very cool. It's like, I'm a fisherman. I love the thrill of the chase. And it's the same thing, the thrill of the chase of gold. And you see that little gold speck, you're like, yes, we've got some.
Yep.
It's fantastic. Now, James, how can people find you and come and do what we've done this weekend?
They can contact me through Gold Tours on Facebook. Yep. They can look me up there and book a tour via Facebook.
So thank you very much for joining us here on Going Off Grid, and we'll see you on our next adventure.